One pair of high-performance USB-powered 5V computer speakers with bottom radiator for springy bass sound. Simple USB plug-and-play setup, no drivers needed, inline volume control for easily adjusting the volume. Brushed silver metal finish with blue LED accent lights for sleek, modern style. Padded base for scratch-free placement and stability. Frequency range of 80 Hz to 20 kHz, 2.4 watts of total RMS power, 1.2 watts per speaker. Measures 3.9 by 2.6 by 2.8 inches, LxWxH, weighs approximately 1.4 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Amazon Basics computer speakers for desktop PC. I upgraded computer monitors recently, they all had built-in speakers, so I needed a set of computer speakers. I came across these for under $9 and couldn't pass them up. They are not the light plastic clunker speakers of days past that many of us might be used to. These have a small bit of heft to them so they won't freely slide around on your desk. The blue LED light is a nice touch, added with my RGB keyboard and mouse. The sound is better than expected. They have just the right amount of bass and treble. I've tried a few different types of music and the speakers sound great for their size. They don't take up very much room at all, either. I've used several types of speakers over the years and for the price you just can't beat these. I have bought a few Amazon Basic items over the years, USB hub and a laptop bag, and they all perform great. I don't buy much on Amazon these days, but these speakers were worth it.